Today we'll talk about how can you use Relive app. So in the first we will go to talk about settings. Just click on profile. So that when you click here on profile here, it's going to show for you like this. Here can you click on your profile here or just click on this sign. So then you click on your profile here. And here you change your name and username and here add your view and you click on save, then it's going to save with you. So in here can you change your email address in this list, then here you set a password and here so can you connect with tracker and you manage notifications here. So and here you change your language about your units if you want to select it here. So here if you want to restore your purchases, then here in another activity here can you just click on challenges here. Here you will find all challenges you have. So challenges are friend in join a challenge here. Then here if you want to create a challenge here, just click on it. Then here can you create your challenge. So when you're down, just click on down here if you want to add this private or public. So here if you want to add your goal, then here start date and end date. And here if you want to select here signal call or multiple calls. So when you're down, just click on down here. So then here if you want to record, just click on record. Here you will find you just click on open settings to enable your so your GPS here and you click here on explore. Then here you use your location permissions here. So then here in this sign, just click on it. So here if you want to select your activity type here in this list. So here when you click on search, can you invite or send invite to your friends. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.